There is a growing need for smarter, more sustainable and more connected ships of tomorrow. It's paramount that we together as an industry embrace digital transformation and collaborative frameworks to achieve this mission.
We are moving on clearly from just accelerating innovation into really shaping the future of ship design. We have seen many significant shipbuilding frontrunner players taking concrete steps in rethinking their workflows and processes.
Shaping the future for marine design is also to be able to have optimized ships, and optimized ships is the result of very quick iteration and modern tools.
We are going towards ship design where we need to take into account another design factors than what we have done traditionally.
We need to take the more holistic way, how the ships are actually operated, rather than this kind of ideal situations.
We need to start looking into cost of operating the vessel. We need to start looking at greenhouse gas emissions. Of course, those two are linked also.
10, 15 years ago, there were a lot of talks about environmental impact and things like that. But now the big difference is that IMO requires to be environmental friendly, to use alternative fuels. And I think that will really be triggering the real actions.
So the user meetings and such seminars are really important for us to understand the actual problem that we want to solve. We can actually create much less features that are much better suited for our customers.
The highlight for me at this user meeting has been seeing lots of old faces meeting new faces. It was very interesting hearing about the extensions or potential extensions to the OCX format. And obviously the trip to Lona was beautiful island, beautiful boats, lots of fun.
Plenty of things to cooperate on, to give feedback to the tools which they are developing, either new ones or improve the existing ones. So that's where all we share the thoughts, the ideas.
The most thing that I'm excited about is the single source of truth. So having a software which you can do all the things that you do in our industry will really help us to keep everything well together, and to only have one software to be used. That is something that we all try for.
I would hope participants in this year's user meeting will have excellent conversations with other customers, get started with some new collaboration with us or other participants.
This event is not just about discussing new software tools. It is also about shaping the future of ship design together.
I think the importance of open dialogue within our industry is so important. These days, companies can't work on their own. They have to work together with others. And ultimately, we share the same people, processes, experience, and we're much stronger if we can learn from each other and make sure we work together.
When maritime industry strategies are lined up, the collaboration is a good way to go faster and stronger in the way to achieve these strategies. And the actual collaboration between NAPA and Chantier de l'Atlantique is a good example.
NAPA's solutions have been always at the core of the ship design spiral, connected to design, engineering, approval and data management workflows. Therefore, it's very natural for us to continue shaping and finding optimal processes together with the rest of the industry.
I believe that leadership in digital transformation for NAPA means especially embracing and integrating advanced technologies like AI, digital twins and data-driven decision-making into our solution. So we are committed in simplifying the complexity of ship design.
NAPA in the future will be a major actor for all the maritime industry transition.
Bringing all the industry engineers and managers and discussing topics, ideas, bringing it all together. NAPA is the core for this kind of collaborations.
NAPA is a Swiss knife. It's simply versatile, and that reflects the way we need to work.